Hi guys, how are you? Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is that we are going to be doing a fall project. Okay, you just have to get started. So it's going to be a two-part video. This part which shows the beginning of it, and the other one that explains a little bit more of what to do. So the idea is that during fall you have different colors, fall colors, which are yellow, green. There's definitely some green on the leaves, some brown, some orange, and sometimes a little bit of red. So what we're going to be doing is a combination of things. I'm going to actually be teaching you this year about something called Zentangles. I haven't taught you that yet, but basically these are designs that are usually in black and white. So this is taking kind of that concept of black and white and mixing it up with color. So the first step is that you're going to have paper, and let me just try to do like this so you can see. And we have leaves that come in different shapes. So I'm going to do this with a marker so you can see. But we have basically a leaf. I'm drawing a leaf like this. Now you can draw your own type of leaf. I'm also making sure that I have a stem. Okay. And then over here I'm doing another kind of leaf. And again, the leaf is going to be divided in half, and I'm continuing, and I have another leaf. So this is where I'm at, and that has to go to the middle. Now, if we look at a leaf, there are also different sections, the veins of the leaf. So I'm going to go ahead and make a line over here, make a line over here, make a line over here, and make a line over here. Take this one, flip it over, and I'm making a line over here, line over here. If you notice, they're like V-shape. And then I'm going to make another line here, and another line here, and another line here. So the idea is that each section will be natural color of a leaf and design. So I'm going to go ahead and do design. Now, design could be, we've done a lot of designs in the past. So design could be circles, stripes, which I think is kind of boring, stars, more interesting, watermelon, snails. There are other designs that you can do, and you're just repeating it. Now the thing is, you have to try to repeat it the same size. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go do twirlies over here, and then I'm going to get another one, do twirly. I'm leaving this blank, and I'm leaving this blank, and over here I'm going to do some triangles. I'm doing very like easy designs, and the reason I'm doing easy designs is because I want to do this kind of quick. Over here I'm going to go ahead and do little leaves. Okay, and this would be ideally in black and white, and you do the same thing over here. You make designs, and then you skip and you make designs, and just do the same thing. So you want it to be kind of contrast. So if this has a design, over here would be the natural color, and over here you would make another design. And I'm doing little slices there, another design. Okay, now to do the actual coloring of the tree, when we're looking at leaves, when they're changing colors, there isn't just one color. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm always going to use probably a little bit of yellow, and then I'm going to get green, and I would love for each section to be a little different. I'm going to get green and kind of color it in, so it's not like one solid color. So it's already looking very fall-like because the trees change into different colors. So this section has a green and a yellow. You probably can't notice it that well because of the fact that it is I don't know, videotape. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one. Now I'm going to again start with yellow because yellow is like a common color that is used in the fall process. But this one is going to have a bit of brown. So I'm going to go get a bit of brown and go around, and maybe this one will have a touch of green. And I'm going to do the same thing to this one over here in the corner. Again, start with some yellow. By the way, the design should extend all the way there. And this one, I think I'm going to be using a little bit of red, because if we look at fall colors, it does include some red. And obviously when you combine the yellow with the red, it comes out like an orangey color, which is more like fall. But if you notice, I'm not coloring a solid color. It's all colored, obviously solid, but it's not solid one color only. So I'm going to go ahead and continue that. See? So if you do this, every section should be different. Does everybody see that? So that's basically the first step. I'm going to move on to the next video that's going to show you a little bit more design. So I'll be posting both videos for today. Bye.